Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Apple Watch Ultra GPS plus cellular 49mm smartwatch. This is rugged titanium case and with the white ocean band. Alright, so today we have received our Apple Watch Ultra. So this watch here is offered in several different colors. I did get the ocean band that fits 130 to 200 millimeter wrists. So right here is some little information regarding the watch. Now we're going to go ahead and unbox this, and first off you can see it gives you a little booklet to explain the colors, the different watch band sizes. So you have the Alpine, then you've got the ocean, and then you got this yellowy gray. So this tells you about the watch, the action button, the menu button, and then the speakers, and the water depth sensor. So first off right here, this is the watch. We're going to put this to the side, and we're going to open up the band. This one is the white ocean. This size of the screen is at 45 millimeters. So let's go ahead and remove the little sticky tabs that are here on each side. So once you open up, you can see that it comes in 3 parts. You get both sides of the bands, and then you get this little clip at the top to hold down the band when you have this actually on. So now let's go ahead and remove the band from the box. You just grab it from the top and it'll just slip out. If it doesn't slip completely out, you just got to stick your fingers and push in on the sides. So this is the clip right here that holds down the band. Then grab it here from the top. This is the bottom hook part. And then we'll grab the top part. So each side, these little grips on the side, that's where that little pin goes into. Right here at the top. So you have many different spots to put that little pin to tighten up the band. So you just pull that down. You just pick a little spot here. It is best to put the bottom part in first. Slide it on up. So it slides right up in there. You take the little top part, fit it right into the hole, push it down, and it'll lock in place. So there you go, it just locks right there in place. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the watch out and set this up. So in here you have another little box for the top of the watch, which is the watch head itself. So you got these little stickers on each side to protect it from falling out. So just remove those little stickies on each side of these. So this watch is great for adventures. The uncompromising capacity is rugged design. It has a GPS accuracy, in-depth urban locals, up to 36 hours of battery life. It's got 3 specialized bands for boundary pushing athletes and adventures. All the features you need to stay healthy, safe, and connected. So right here is the charging cable to charge up your watch. This is a type C. So now let's make our way to the watch head itself. This has a pioneering engineering, a rugged yet stunning designs to handle the elements, a massive always-on retina display that shines in harsh conditions, and its customizable action button. Every detail is crafted for incredible performance. It's a 45mm titanium case with ruggedness, lightness, and corrosion resistance. It is 2 times brighter display than the Series 8 with up to 2,000 nits. So right here you can see the side. They have the menu button, the settings, and then the action button is right here to the left. There's the settings, the menu. So when you want to turn it on, you'll turn the settings on. So we're just going to turn it on, wait for this to load. You can push this further, wilder, the advanced workouts and metrics like the heart rate zones, multi-sport functionality. It has got an incredible battery life of up to 36 hours of normal use and extended battery life with a low power mode. So right here we're going to go and put on the bands. They are super easy to put on. You just got to make sure that the metal part that's in the band is facing downwards in the watch, so it'll lock it in position. You can see that the band is nice and stable. So now we're going to go ahead and set this up. They have a little button right here. It'll set up to English. I'm going to set it up to United States. Go ahead and start pairing. So now it'll ask for your iPhone to take a picture of the screen. So we're going to grab my iPhone. It'll already recognize it through my iPhone. Click on continue. Just go ahead and move this screen. It'll say set up myself. So click on set up myself and it'll say hold your Apple Watch up to the camera. You got to get really, really close so it can start syncing it. Alright, my Apple Watch is paired. So now it's going to set it up. So restore from backup because I had the Apple Watch 8 and I've already had my face watch set up. So now it's going to set up for my last installation. So we're just going to wait for that. So with this watch, it is water resistant up to 100 meters. It is certified for recreational scuba diving up to 40 meters. A depth gauge for a key stats at a glance. An Oceanic Plus excessive app that works and has fully capable dive computer packed with innovation taken to new depths. So this is EN 13319 certification, an internationally recognized standard for dive computers and gauges. Alright, so it's asking me to set up a password. You can set the font, how big or small you want it, the text size. Now it's telling about optimized charging limits. So the great thing about this one, it is got the freedom of cellular, which is a built-in in every Apple Watch Ultra with a service plan. You can call, text, even overseas with international roaming. You can stream your favorite music, podcasts, get directions from your maps, or tap into thousands of apps, and you can do everything from your watch. It is an ultimate device for a healthy life. It got the fitness, health and safety, the connectivity, and personalization. So you have many different watches to choose from. So right here is the action button. You can change the action button. Now it's asking if you want to set up the water depth sensor. I'm just going to go ahead and add that one. Dive safety, always on display. You can change that later, however you like your view. I always do it the grid style. And it is syncing right now. This does take a few minutes to have it connected. So this is compared to the Apple Watch, the 8 series, but it's got a lot better specs. It has a bigger battery. It has a lot more depth for water for those who scuba dive. So now you got your settings right here. You got airplane mode, text. You've got your flashlight, and then here is your settings. You can just click on these, and then here are the apps. All the apps that come installed. You can actually install some more from the Play Store, but right now I'm going to scroll down to the siren. The last model did not have the siren, so I'm just going to show you for an emergency situation. So you will go ahead and click on the siren, and it does get super loud, so you might want to turn down your audio for this part. It's only for like 3 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and do it right now. You can see that it gets pretty loud, so if you're in a sticky situation and you need somebody to hear the alarm, that's what that is for. Alright, so I did purchase another watch band, so I'm going to remove this one right here that comes with this watch. I did purchase a nice rose gold color, so this one is compatible with my 49mm watch. So I'm just going to push these little buttons here at the bottom to remove the bands. So you got one here at the bottom and you've got one at the top. It just slides off just like this. And then I'm going to take my band and I'm going to slide it on. First off, I got to take it out of the hook. And make sure that the metal in the middle matches up with the metal inside of the watch. You just slide it in there just like this, and it'll lock in place. And then I've already got the top one, it locked in place. This is super nice. The good thing about these is they do have so many watch bands you can choose from. Although the one that it came with is super nice, I still decided to go with this band because it was a nice pink color. I do have a set of 15 with all different colors. So if you're looking for different colors, that is an option, but this one here is super nice. So now we're going to go take it back out, and I'm going to show you what it looks like with the band and everything. So here are some more apps that are included. You got your workout app, you've got your timer. So let's go back to the home screen. So this is what it looks like from the home screen. I just took the charger off. This band is super nice. It is very comfortable, so if you actually wear your Apple Watch to bed, this one here is super comfortable, where they have other ones that are not as comfortable, especially for sleeping. So you can see it is flexible. It's got enough sizes to fit most wrists. I just got to go ahead and tighten it up. So, and it is very touch sensitivity. I did purchase a glass protector on this, even though it does have a really hard surface. So right here you have your microphone, speaker, your action button, and then right here this little hole is a little microphone. And on the other side you have your settings and your menu button, and then here is the nice band with the little clip right here. Again, that is adjustable to these little holes in each one of them. This one is a super nice watch. It is for most people that are very active. On the bottom, just like any other Apple Watch, this one does have your heart rate, your sensor, your oxygen level right at your fingertips. So right here is the band that comes with it. I did purchase another band, which is the pink color. You can buy these in many different colors. They do have them, but the one that comes with it is a super nice band. So if you're looking for a nice watch, I would highly recommend the Ultra, especially if you're an active workout or if you go climbing or swimming. The only difference between this one and the Series 8 that I saw, that it does have beefed up the specs and it is a little bit heavier. But if you're looking for a nice rugged Apple Watch, I would highly